Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify SEO concepts for beginners. Today, we're going to tackle the topic of Google PageRank. So, let's get started. Ever wondered why some websites rank higher than others on Google? That's where Google PageRank comes in. PageRank is an algorithm developed by Google to determine the importance and relevance of web pages. Think of the internet as a massive network of interconnected pages. PageRank analyzes the quality and quantity of links pointing to a web page. If a web page has many high-quality incoming links, it is considered more valuable and relevant. Each web page is assigned a PageRank score from 0 to 10. The higher the score, the more authoritative and relevant the web page is seen by Google. Websites with higher PageRank scores have a better chance of ranking higher in search results. For SEO beginners, understanding PageRank is crucial. It highlights the importance of obtaining high-quality incoming links to your website. By acquiring links from reputable and relevant sources, you can increase your page rank and improve your search engine rankings. Remember, quality matters more than quantity when it comes to links. Engage in ethical link building practices such as creating valuable content, guest blogging, and collaborating with authoritative websites. These efforts will help you build a strong page rank. In summary, Google PageRank plays a significant role in SEO. By understanding its importance and implementing ethical link building strategies, you can boost your website's visibility, attract organic traffic, and enhance your search engine rankings. Stay tuned for our next video.